To trade stocks on Etoro, start by opening the platform and navigating to the specific stock you want to buy, sell, or trade. You can find it by clicking on Discover and then selecting Stocks, or by searching for it in the top right corner. For instance, if you're interested in software stocks, you can click on that category and browse through the available options. Let's say you want to invest in a particular company, you can click on it and view the price chart, price target, and analyst consensus, which are essential factors to consider when deciding what to buy or sell. Once you've selected the stock, click on Trade in the top right corner. From there, you can choose the amount you want to trade, either by entering a specific dollar amount or by setting it to a specific number of shares. You'll also need to select an order type, which can be either a market order or a limit order. If you choose a limit order, you can set a price target at which you want to buy the stock. For example, if you want to wait for the price to drop before buying, you can set a limit order at a lower price, and the trade will be executed automatically when the price reaches that level. If you choose a market order, the trade will be executed immediately if the market is open, or when the market opens if it's currently closed. Some stocks also allow you to set leverage and stop loss or take profit levels. For example, you can set a stop loss to sell the position automatically if the stock price drops by a certain amount or percentage. You can also set a leverage level, such as 1x, 2x, or 5x, which determines how much your position will increase or decrease in value relative to the stock price. Additionally, you can set a take profit level, which will sell the position automatically when it reaches a certain price or percentage gain. You can also choose to short a stock if you expect its price to drop, in which case you'll make money if the price does indeed decrease. Once you've entered all the details, you can click Buy or Short to execute the trade. After that, you can view your position in your portfolio, including your profit and loss, and sell the stock by clicking Close and then Close Trade.